In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Loop account. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity, collaborate seamlessly with teammates, or explore dynamic content creation, Microsoft Loop can be a fantastic tool. So let's dive into the process of getting your account set up. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Loop webpage at www.microsoft.com. Once there, locate the section dedicated to Microsoft Loop, which is the collaborative app within Microsoft 365 that's tailored for dynamic teamwork. It's designed to enable free-flowing collaboration by allowing you to work integratively across various Microsoft applications. Next, look for the Sign In option. You'll typically find this on the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will initiate the process of logging into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can create one directly through this link as well. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Ensure you use the email associated with your Microsoft account. If you're in need of a new account, there's usually an option such as Create One or Don't Have an Account that you can select to set up a new Microsoft account. This will guide you through entering essential details like your email, password, and personal information. Remember to use a strong and unique password to enhance your account's security. Strong passwords typically include a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. After entering your login details, you'll either be taken directly into the Microsoft Loop interface, or if this is your first login, you might encounter an additional verification step for security purposes. This could involve a code sent to your email or phone. Do check and follow any additional instructions that appear because they are crucial for safeguarding your account. And there you have it. Once you've completed these steps, you should be successfully logged into Microsoft Loop. From here, you can start exploring its features, whether it's setting up your working spaces, integrating content from these spaces into other Microsoft Office apps, or collaborating with your team. There's truly a lot to explore with its innovative capabilities. If you encounter any issues during this process, ensure your browser is up to date and double-check your internet connection. Also, you might want to clear your cache if you face any unexpected errors. Microsoft usually has a robust support section that offers help for common issues, so don't hesitate to use those resources. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful in getting you started with Microsoft Loop. Be sure to check out our other videos for more insights into maximizing productivity with Microsoft's suite of tools.